Headlight not glowing. After putting BLPRF on, put on BLPRD if headlight glows work normally. If headlight does not glow, ensure ZPR, ZRT is on if provided. Put on BLPRR if the rear headlight glows. Check the front headlight holder. If it is good, change the bulb if possible. If rear headlight does not glow, change the position of DC-DC converter, change over switch. Check the glowing of headlight. If headlight does not glow, work the train with glowing of marker light, observing GR and SR. Enforce and inform LC.